Hi guys! Oh my goodness, I never got the vlog started this morning, but I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me for a day in my life style vlog. I brought you guys along with me for my morning. Lately, I have been doing a little at-home YouTube workout right here with my yoga mat and have been loving it. I will have the videos that I like to do linked down below in the description box. I do like a 5-minute arm one and then this 15-minute leg one. It's just a great way to get the morning started. And then I took a shower, blow dried my hair, and I just finished getting my makeup done. So I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys what I'm wearing. It is currently like 70 degrees outside, so it's a little chilly and we keep it pretty chill in the apartment. So I have on this sweater. It's from Shein along with these blue leggings. Then I just threw on my pink tree torn sneakers. I need to add some accessories, so that is next up, but I totally forgot to put these away. I just kind of keep them in here. It's honestly kind of a fun pop of pink, but let's go put some jewelry on. So I put on my cute little Kelly necklace on, this adorable bracelet my mom got me, and my two favorite rings. Pretty simple. And then I just added some Dolce & Gabbana, the one perfume on, and I gotta put my makeup away because that is all sitting out. So that is up next. Like I mentioned, I just got this super cute new desk chair, and you guys, it is just so pretty. It's pink, it's got gold hardware, which just matches my room so well. I added this super cute little lily pillow and this tassel blanket. And I love the look of it from the back because it's got these little tassels. This used to be on the end of my bed at my parents' house. So this is my recent Facebook Marketplace find. Completely obsessed with it, but it's so exciting. I finally have a desk chair. For a while, I was just using our kitchen table chair and would bring it back and forth, which was totally fine. But I saw this on Facebook and I was like, this, and John put it together, went and got it, and it's just been a new favorite. I talked about it in my May favorites if you guys want to check that out, but I wanted to share that. And I also have another Facebook Marketplace find to share with you guys. So we picked up this gold mirror on Facebook. It's so cute, and we just put it on this little wall that we had extra space for, so that was cute. I'm currently adding all the footage that I got from this morning on here to start editing, because since I have been uploading so much, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been posting almost every single day this week, which is seriously so cool. I'm so excited because in the summertime, I like to post a little bit more content just because I know you guys are home from school. Some people have more flexibility in their schedule during the summer, and personally, it's just like my favorite time to create. So with that being said, I am going to be starting my summer 2022 vlog series. So once a week, I will be uploading a day in my life vlog. They're all going to have different little themes to them. So today I am just sharing with you guys a day in my life at home. It was going to be a rainy day because this morning it was gloomy and downpouring, and now it's sunny, so maybe I'll take you guys for a walk and stuff. But I just thought it'd be fun to start a new series on my channel, so I hope you guys like it. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys do, and again, if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button. But this is just like a day in my life at home, and I'm just sharing with you guys like little sneak peeks of the apartment because I just got this new little bathe cave sign. Oh my gosh, so much new artwork, so much new furniture. I'm just so excited to be taking you guys along with me, kind of like we're BFFs hanging out all day. While I am checking this footage, I'm just gonna have lunch. John is making me a grilled cheese, and I'm gonna see what I got footage wise. I finished up lunch and I also got my video up until this point, like editing wise, and you guys might be like, what the heck? So I put up the pink backdrop for a photo shoot. I am working with Monday Hair Care, and as you guys know, you might have seen this in the back of my bathroom videos, I am obsessed with their hair care products. They reached out to me about a week and a half ago asking to collab. I am so beyond amazed, freaking out, so excited. So that is what I'm currently working on. I just sent one of the pictures to my mom to see what she thinks of it, but it's kind of cute. I thought it was cute. So John's been helping me, but he's on a business phone call right now, so I'm just taking a little break. Probably gonna go plan out some outfits for videos and stuff. So that is my next order of business. We're hoping to go on a hot girl walk because you guys, the sun's coming out. I'm so excited. But we are going to head to the closet to plan some outfits. Outfits are all picked out. I'm gonna be filming a OOTW tonight. My mom's coming over. Before she gets here, John and I are gonna make some brownies because we're gonna go visit his mom tonight and thought that'd be like a fun treat to bring. So we're gonna go to the kitchen and get started. I think we should make these chewy fudge.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. I'm making a special guest appearance.
She's mixing up the brownies and we're gonna put it in a super cute glass tray.
Brand new, just got it.
Super cute.
Oh.
Okay, John mixed it up. I can't take credit. He did a great job. We're just gonna pour it into the pan. They're going to be so thick. We also added chocolate chips on top of it. Time to put it in the oven. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good. Nice job.
Thanks.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Always wear your oven mitt.
Yeah. You guys, I just finished filming my OOTW with my mom. She just left, but John pulled the brownies out, so I want to share with you guys how good they look. Sprinkled some chocolate Hershey Kisses on top and they just look so good. So these are the chewy fudgy ones. I'm gonna cut them up and put them on a plate. I currently have the washer and the dryer going at the same time, so it's a little noisy, but we are gonna go visit John's mom and I have to edit later tonight, so I'm gonna be ending the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this day in my life video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you guys are excited for the summer vlog series, let me know what kind of content you want to see in the comments down below. I love chit-chatting with you guys, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next new video. Bye guys!